The Bharatiya Janata Party, or BJP, is today one of the most powerful political forces in India. But its journey began decades earlier with the Bharatiya Jana Sangh. Founded in 1951 by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee as the political wing of the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. The Jana Sangh emphasized cultural nationalism and national integration. Leaders like Deen Dayal Upadhyaya shaped its philosophy of integral humanism. This philosophy sought to balance individual freedom with social responsibility. The party gained visibility during the emergency of 1975-77. Many of its leaders were jailed for opposing Indira Gandhi's government. After the emergency, the Jana Sangh merged into the Janata Party. This party briefly formed a government in 1977. Internal conflicts, especially over ties to the RSS, led to a split. In 1980, the Bharatiya Janata Party was formally established. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Lal Krishna Advani, Murli Manohar Joshi, and Vijayaraje Scindia were among its founding leaders. Vajpayee initially positioned the BJP as a moderate party with Gandhian socialist leanings. But after a poor showing in the 1984 elections, the party shifted toward a stronger emphasis on Hindutva. This cultural identity was championed by Advani. The 1990s marked the BJP's rise as a national force. Advani's Rath Yatra, in support of the Ram Janmabhoomi movement, galvanized Hindu nationalist sentiment. This expanded the party's base. By 1996, the BJP had become the largest party in parliament. Vajpayee briefly served as prime minister for 13 days. He returned in 1998 to lead a coalition government. He remained in office until 2004. His tenure was marked by nuclear tests at Pokhran, economic reforms, and attempts at peace with Pakistan. Vajpayee's leadership gave the BJP credibility as a party capable of governance, while Advani's organizational skills and mass mobilization built its grassroots strength. The BJP lost power in 2004 and spent a decade in opposition. During this time, the Congress led UPA governed. Leaders like Advani, Arun Jaitley, Sushma Swaraj, and Murli Manohar Joshi kept the party alive. But it struggled to regain momentum. Meanwhile, in Gujarat, Narendra Modi emerged as a strong regional leader. As chief minister from 2001, Modi built a reputation for decisive governance. He focused on economic development and infrastructure growth. His leadership style was assertive, media savvy, and rooted in grassroots mobilization. This made him a national figure. In 2014, Modi led the BJP to a historic victory. He secured a majority on its own for the first time. His campaign focused on development, nationalism, and anti corruption. This resonated with millions of voters. Under Modi, the BJP expanded its reach beyond traditional strongholds. It won support across caste, class, and regional lines. His government introduced major initiatives such as the Goods and Services Tax. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Jan Dhan Yojana, and Ujjwala Yojana were also launched. The government pursued assertive foreign policy and emphasized cultural nationalism. The BJP under Modi has become the dominant force in Indian politics. It won consecutive mandates in 2019 and continues to shape the country's political landscape. Its journey from Mukherjee's Jana Sangh to Vajpayee's coalition politics reflects the changing face of India itself. Today, the BJP stands not just as a political party but as a movement. It has reshaped the nation's governance and identity. It balances ideology with development and tradition with modernity.